Embark on a journey through top Rollator walkers, vital for enhanced mobility and independence. There are many products available to choose Rollator walkers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best Rollator walkers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Medline Rollator Walker. More high quality and affordable than other options on the market, the Medline Rollator Walker provides a safe and comfortable solution for seniors or those with mobility impairments. With a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, this rolling walker is generously sized and features adjustable handles to ensure the perfect fit. The 6 wheels make it surprisingly easy to maneuver, while the foldable design allows for convenient storage and transportation. Whether you're taking a stroll in the park or navigating through a crowded store, the Medline Rollator Walker provides the support you need to stay active and independent. Number 2. Planet Walk Premium 3-Wheel Rollator Walker. Unveiling the Planet Walk Rollator Walker, the ultimate mobility aid for the elderly. This ultra-lightweight aluminum walker is surprisingly easy to maneuver and foldable for easy storage, making it the perfect companion for daily use. With its generously sized wheels and comfortable hand grips, this 3-wheel walker ensures maximum stability and support for seniors. Its brilliant blue finish adds a touch of style, making it a great value for such a high-quality product. Invest in your loved one's safety and comfort with the Planet Walk Rollator Walker. Number 3. Luxury Rollator Walkers. This HeelConnex Rollator Walker is the perfect solution for those in need of a reliable and comfortable walking aid. With its built-in cable and 10 large wheels, this Rollator Walker provides a smooth and stable ride. Made of lightweight aluminum, it is easy to maneuver and transport, and the soft rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip. The padded seat and backrest offer a comfortable place to rest, and the Rollator Walker's sturdy construction ensures a safe and secure experience. Ideal for seniors who need assistance with mobility, this HeelConnex Rollator Walker is a solid choice that won't disappoint. Number 4. Rollator Walker for Seniors with Cup Holder. Introducing the WalkMate Rollator Walker, the perfect walking aid for those who value mobility and independence. With its upgraded thumb press button for height adjustment, this walker is surprisingly easy to use and customized to your specific needs. The generously sized seat and padded backrest provide optimal comfort during extended use, and the 4x8 wheels ensure smooth and stable movement. Plus, the included cup holder adds a convenient touch for staying hydrated on the go. With its lightweight aluminum construction and folding design, this walker is not only high quality but also affordable. Choose the WalkMate Rollator Walker and experience the freedom and confidence that comes with comfortable and secure mobility. Number 5. Rollator Walker for Seniors. Some people find it difficult to navigate through everyday life as they age, but the HeelConnex Rollator Walker provides a solution. With its lightweight and foldable design, this walker is surprisingly easy to use and transport. The generously sized seat and backrest provide comfort during long walks, while the 8-inch rubber wheels make it suitable for all terrains. Made from high-quality aluminum, this walker is durable and affordable, making it a great value for seniors and adults who want to maintain their independence. Don't let mobility issues hold you back any longer. Invest in the HeelConnex Rollator Walker today. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.